All right, so we're finna set a schedule up on the Honeywell thermostat. Oh, all right.
Okay, so go to menu and program. So when you're in program,
All right. So you say go to menu.
yeah, menu, and then when you see program, which should be the first option, press select.
I see time as my first option.
Okay, so program is probably turned off on this. So what you want to do is you want to hold the menu and plus button for about 3 to 5 seconds.
Okay. Yeah.
And
Yeah. I remember when I was setting it up on 120, I got 0, so I need to go to
yeah, so you need to change that.
to what?
Okay, so what options does the customer want? Do they want it where all the weekdays are the same, and then on weekends, like Saturday is different from Sunday?
No, we want
Or do they-
Monday through Friday. Yeah. I mean, I'm sorry, Monday through Sunday. Just want to keep it the same, 7 days a week.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we don't have one that will do it for all of them. So you want to probably set it for 2.
Okay. Okay. I got.
Yeah. So what that does is it will allow us to change. So we'll set up schedule for all the weekdays and then all the weekends. So it's less for us to do.
Right.
Yeah. So once you have that set for 2, you can press home.
Okay. I got home.
Save it.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, now go to menu, and program should be the first option.
Okay, when I'm with the menu, I have hold. Should I cancel that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
yeah, so I got menu, now I got program.
Okay, press select.
Okay.
And then make sure it says on.
It does.
Okay, press select.
Okay. Got Monday through Friday flashing.
Yeah, it's all blinking. Okay, press select.
Okay.
Okay, so there's 4 time periods that we can do. Okay, but you just want to do 2, right? So you just want to do when they wake up and when they go to sleep. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, so for wake, you want to make sure wake is flashing, and then you press select.
Okay.
And then you want to make sure it says on. Press select.
Okay.
So then the time should be flashing. Okay, so what time do you want it to turn on?
Let's say maybe 8 a.m.
Okay, so select 8 a.m. Okay, and then press select. Now it should say heat, right?
Correct.
And then the big number is flashing. Okay, so at what temperature do you want the heating to come on?
Well, it's summertime right now. I don't want the heat to turn on. So set point. So maybe if it dropped down to, I guess 68 or something like that. Cause heat should be lower, right?
Yeah, heat should be lower.
Yeah. So I put maybe
you can set it like if you don't ever want it to come on, maybe maybe you can do it all the way down to 60 or something.
Yeah.
It's never gonna reach 60, right?
Right. Okay. So I'm just gonna do 67 right now.
Okay, that's fine. And then the cool.
So I put select.
Whatever
okay.
You want.
Right.
Yeah. So at what temperature do you want the cooling to come on and maintain?
78.
Okay.
Okay. You got it away.
Yep, and then for away, so we only want to do for awake and sleep, so we can turn off away. So when awake's flashing, you can press select, and then it'll say on, and then if you press the plus button, it should go off.
Okay, great. Okay, I got.
And then just press And then for home, when home is flashing, you press the light. And then you want to press the plus button so it says off.
Okay.
Yep, so basically at 8 a.m. it's going to come on and it's going to try to maintain that 78 all the way to the time they go to sleep, right? So when sleep is flashing, you want to press select. You want to make sure it's on, and then you set the time.
Okay, heat I got on. On is flashing.
Yeah, so press select. Now the time is flashing. At what time do you want temperature to change for their sleep mode?
Hey Jim. Hey Jim.
Yeah.
About what time do you want the sleep mode to turn on? About what time y'all go to sleep for it to turn to 79?
You say what time do you
This far as the night mode.
Huh?
This far as the night, remember we wanted at 79. Around what time? Maybe 8, 9, or 10?
Started about 9 o'clock, I guess.
About 9? Okay. All right. All right, so I'm gonna do 9 p.m.
Okay. Yeah, so when the time's flashing, just change that to 9 p.m.
Okay. All right, so heat, I'm gonna bump it up to, I'm gonna say 65. And cool, we're gonna do 79. Okay, now I got Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, so then you just repeat for Saturday, Sunday. So press select. For wake, you press select, make sure it's on, and then the time when you want it to come on.
All right, I think I did 9 a.m.
Okay, press select. And then in heat mode, when do you want that to come on?
All right.
And then cool mode, like once you have that, press select, go to cool mode.
Okay, so I'm at away, we're gonna turn it off.
Yep.
Home, we're gonna turn it off.
Yep.
All right, so sleep, I'm gonna select that one, it's on. We're gonna do the time, 9 p.m. Set that to 65. Heat, cool, we're gonna do 79. All right, now it's flashing back again from Monday through Friday.
Okay, you should be able to just hit, hold on. Yeah, so now you should be able to just hit home. It should save.
Okay, great.
And then in the upper left-hand corner, it should say following schedule.
Correct.
Yep. So if the customer wants to make any changes, right? So if they change set point on anything, right? It will say, so if they want to change it in any way, right? So up and down set point.
Yeah.
They'll see at the bottom, they'll say like, so on the left-hand side, it'll say like temporary hold.
Yeah.
Now on the bottom, it'll say hold and cancel. Okay. So temporary hold would be if they change it, then at 9 o'clock or whenever they go to sleep, it's gonna start the schedule back up again. All right.
Okay.
If
So
they do a permanent hold.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. So if they change the temperature and then they press the hold button and it goes permanent hold,
yeah,
that means that it's going to stay that temperature until they change it again or they cancel.
Okay. Okay. So if they do a temporarily hold, I thought it lasts for like 2 hours, but it's gonna last until the next wake or sleep mode.
The next schedule.
Yeah.
The next scheduled period.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. If they do a permanent hold, then it's going to just stay that temperature until they either cancel it or they change it again.
All right. So I got another model number. I think it's slightly different. from the other one.
Okay.
Want to set.
Okay.
I got 3 zones. I need to set.
Okay.
This
What's the model number?
model number is TH6210. U as in unicorn 2001.
Okay. So when you press menu, do you see program?
When I press menu, no, it go to time.
Okay, that's the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the T4s and T6s is going to be the exact same. So let's go to menu and plus.
Okay, I'm gonna go to 120.
Go to 120. Change that to 2, and press home to save it. And then go to menu, program.
All right, wait. Home. We're gonna turn it off. Sleep. That's gonna be on 9 p.m. We're gonna do that to about 66. And then we're gonna turn sleep to 79. All right, that's it. We're gonna save it. All right.
Yep.
So, like I said, I got one more real quick, and I got and I'm thinking. Okay, excuse me. I think
one right there.
in your bedroom.
Huh?
In the bedroom.
Oh,
Yeah.
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 I thought you did it.
Nah, I'm gonna do that one now. All right.
Okay. So you said you had one more question, or?
Yeah. I want to set this one real quick. All right. So these are a little easier. So I'm gonna go to edit on here. We're gonna pick multiple days. So this one I can just do all of them at one time, Monday through Sunday. On wake, let's turn the heat down about 66. Cool, on wake they want 78. All right, on leave, we're gonna cancel that period. Return, we're gonna cancel that, cause sleep, we're gonna do 66. On sleep, they want 79. All right, so that's it, done. Save changes. All right, so it's following schedule. Cool on. All right, so I got one more to go. All right. This one here. Let's see this one. Menu. Let's go to edit schedule. Select. Use scheduling assistant. Let's do no. So the day we want to do, we're gonna do click all on Monday through Saturday. Select days. So wake. We want to do. Let's do this 66. Set temperature. On wake. We'll do 78. All right. So leave. We're gonna cancel those. So it's already goes cancel. So sleep. We're going to do 66. Sleep is going to be 79 and 9 p.m. Done. Nope. So save and schedule. All right, that's a wrap. So let's take this out, cancel hold. Now let's follow the schedule. Now it's on